Okay, good.
So at the home screen, in manual mode, if it's not a manual mode, hit here and change it from pre-pack to manual. Then you'll see maintenance pop up. Then menu. Okay. Then programming. And then preset. Okay. Primary. Here's your main groups. You're in group 1. These are just random populated areas.
Can you change the size of the buttons like you do in the other scans?
Yes, but you got to do that from the module spec screen.
So you held down the button there, and then you brought that up.
So touch PLU,
Yeah.
select group. Okay. Group 1. Edit. Here's where you want to change the name. Okay. It's a
Sandwiches or something.
Yeah, so let's
Subs and sandwiches. That's good. Subs is good.
Hit OK. Okay. Attach it. Okay. And now, well, actually, I'm sorry. You need to start from 2. So that's your home page. Change this real quick. Give me 1 second. Now I gotta delete all of it.
All right.